Uh,
So, namaste, my dear friends. Today we study about the pair of angles. So, pair of angles means more than one angle means two angles. Yes, pair of angles. So, in pair of angles, first you have to understand about adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? So, here is definition I have written. When two angles have a common vertex and a side, then they are called adjacent angles. Let's see the example. It will make you clear. Suppose this is the line segment. Let it AB. AB is the line segment, and one line meet the line AB at a point, let it C, and this is D. So what is here? Common vertex. So C is what? Common vertex for BC, for DC, for AC. This is what? Common vertex. Common vertex. And these two are the angle. These two are the angle. And this is what? Common side. Common side. So if the angles form at a point, then such angles are called as adjacent angles. In adjacent angles, there must be common side and there must be common vertex. So this is the common vertex and CD is the common side. And you know that these two angles form at a straight line. You do take a example, straight line the accent angle of this is this and this one is this. यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो हुन्छ र यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो हुन्छ किनभने यो एउटै पोइन्टमा बनेछ र दुईटै एंगलको CD के हो कमन पोइन्ट। यस्तो किसिमको एंगल बन्यो भने के हुन्छ भने यो एडजेसेन्ट एंगल हुन्छ। यही पिक्चरले अर्को तरिकाले हामी देखाउन सक्छौं। P Q R S। अब यो कमन भर्टेक्स हो। यो के हो कमन भर्टेक्स। यो कमन भर्टेक्स हो यो के हो कमन साइड भयो र यो कमन साइड यो लाइनसँग बनाएको यो कमन साइड यो लाइनसँग बनाएको यो। So these two angles are what? Adjacent angles because they are formed at a same point and have also common side. यो definition of the adjacent angles. When these two angles are formed on a straight line, then sum of these two adjacent angles equal to almost 180 degree. यो दुईटैको सम कति हुन्छ 180 डिग्री। यस यदि एउटै स्ट्रेट लाइनमा एंगल बनेको छ दुईटा एडजेसेन्ट एंगल बनेको छ भने त्यसलाई के भनिन्छ 180 डिग्री हुन्छ यो दुईटा एंगलको सम। तर यहाँ दुईटा एंगलको सम चाहिँ 180 डिग्री हुँदैन किनभने यो स्ट्रेट लाइनमा बनेको छैन है। अब यहाँ हामी चाहिँ यसको बारेमा ओके यहाँ क्वेशन्सहरु दिएको छ जुन हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ सल्युसन गर्नुपर्छ। जस्तै मैले यहाँ गरेर देखाउँछु। I am going to solve a question about the related about the adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. See here, like this. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Here, the value of this angle is given almost 60 degree, and this is what? X. This is what? X. So we have to find out the value of X. We have to find out the value of X. So I have told you in previous class that if at a point more than one angle is formed, then to write the name of angle, you have to use three angles. So see here at point, this is one angle, this is other angle, and whole this is other angle. Means at point 3 angles are found there. एउटै पोइन्टमा तीनटा एंगल बनेछ। त्यही भएर यसलाई डिनोट गर्नको लागि हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ भने तीनटा लेटर लिनुपर्छ माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, तीनटा लेटर लिनुपर्छ। त पहिले यसको ए एंगल x भ्यालु फाइन्ड गर्नको लागि पहिले यो क्वेशनमा के दिएको छ त्यो लिनु। गिवन व्हाट आर द गिवन? सो एंगल BCD I have told you जुन पोइन्टमा एंगल बनेको हुन्छ त्यो पोइन्टको अल्फाबेट कहाँ हुनुपर्छ? दुईटा अल्फाबेटको बीचमा हुनुपर्छ। जस्तै सी मा बनेको छ त BCD लेख्न पनि सक्छौँ, एंगल DCB लेख्न सक्छौँ। त तपाईहरुले जुनसुकै लेख्नुहोस् एउटा। सो एंगल BCD equal to how much given here? 60 degree. How much given? 60 degree. Angle BCD is given 60 degree. And then our other angle is angle ACD you can write, and you can also write angle DCA. So it's your choice. So angle ACD equal to how much? X. And this the value of x we have to find out. Yes, and you are watching that both angles are what? Adjacent angle, because both angles are formed at the same point and by a common side. So this one is the adjacent angle of this and this one is the adjacent angle of this. यो दुईटा एकाको के हो भने adjacent angle हो, किनभने एउटै पोइन्टमा बनेको छ। त्यसमाथि पनि के छ भने एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइनमा बनेको छ। कति बनेछ? स्ट्रेट लाइन। त यो स्ट्रेट लाइन भनेको एंगल ACB कति हुन्छ? एंगल ACB पनि लेख्न पाउँछौँ माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, BCA पनि लेख्न पाउँछौँ। सो दिस इज द व्हाट? लिनियर एंगल। एउटा के हो? स्ट्रेट लाइनमा सी पोइन्टमा एंगल बनेछ भने यसले के हुन्छ? लिनियर एंगल। एन्ड लिनियर एंगल इज आल्सो नोन एज स्ट्रेट एंगल, एन्ड द भ्यालु अफ स्ट्रेट एंगल इज हाउ मच? 180 degree. 180 degree. And then after here you know that angle ACB, this whole angle equal to what? This angle plus this angle. So right here angle ACD plus angle BCD equal to how much? 180 degree. Or you can write here angle ACD plus angle BCD equal to what? Angle ACB. What you can write? ACB. And what is the region? Here you can give the region in box. Here, there. What is the region? Being adjacent. Angle like this माथि यसले के भने के हुन्छ? Angles हुन्छ. Yes, being adjacent angles in a straight line. कुनै पनि straight line मा यदि adjacent angles बनेको छ भने the sum of adjacent angles equal to how much? 180 degree. 180 degree. We have written here. So angle, now put their value. Angle ACD equal to how much? X. That we have to find out. And angle BCD equal to how much? 60 degree. Equal to how much? 180 degree. Now, my dear student, it is very simple to calculate. We have to find out the value of x. हामीले x को value find गर्नु छ plus 60 degree दिएछ 180 degree दिएछ। तो दुईटा नोन एंगल दिएछ, एउटा अननोन एंगल दिएछ। तो यदि दुईटा नोन एंगल तीनटा एंगल छ, तीनटा एंगल मध्ये दुईटा नोन दिएछ एउटा अननोन दिएछ भने इट इज भेरी इजी टु फाइन्ड आउट द एंगल। अब के गर्ने हामीले x को भ्यालु चाहिन्छ। त x को भ्यालु चाहिन्छ भने x बाहेक एंगललाई के गर्ने? अर्को साइडतिर के गर्ने? ट्रान्सपोज गर्दिनु, जुन तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ। यु नो भेरी वेल। अब ट्रान्सपोज गर्दा के हुन्छ त्यो ध्यान दिनुपर्छ। कुनै पनि एंगल एउटा साइडबाट अर्को साइडमा गर्दा या अर्को साइडबाट लेफ्ट साइडबाट राइटमा गर्दा या राइटबाट लेफ्टमा गर्दाखेरि एंगलको साइन के हुन्छ? चेन्ज हुन्छ। या कुनै नम्बर पनि यदि दुईटा साइड दिएछ भने त while transposing from one side to other side the sign will change. यहाँ कुन साइन छ? 60 degree को प्लस। So x equal to what? 180 degree plus sign is here. So while transposing, what will be there? Minus sign. कुन साइन हुन्छ माइनस साइन हुन्छ and what is the result therefore 180 degree minus 60 degree means what 120 degree this is the answer the value of angle x is how much 120 degree अब यसलाई चेक गर्ने यो दुईटा एंगल जोड्दाखेरि कति आउनु पर्छ 180 डिग्री हेर्नु त x plus 60 120 डिग्री plus 60 डिग्री कति आयो 180 डिग्री यसको मतलब our solution is right हाम्रो सल्युसन के छ राइट छ यदि यो आएन भने के हुन्छ सल्युसन कहीं न कहीं के छ मिस्टेक छ तो यसरी चाहिँ about such questions I will give related with this question I will give some problems that you have to solve at home any confusion once again I will explain actually म यसलाई explain गर्छु राम्रोसँग सुन्नुस् my dear students listen very carefully ACB the straight line and angle ACB equal to how much 180 degree angle ACD is not given that is how much given x so the value of we have to find out the value of x and angle BCD equal to how much 60 degree so here this angle plus this angle equal to this angle this plus this equal to this why being at the same angles angle बनाएर माथि यसलाई दिएपछि angles हुन्छ short form हो angles in a straight line so x plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree and x this term goes to right hand side plus sign so we can minus sign means 120 degree we have got value of x and you can check the sum of these two angles must be how much 180 degree so see here x plus 60 120 60 means how much 180 this is right and then after I will give the work that you have to solve you have to do at home and surely I hope that you can able to solve such questions very easily just how you have to do how just we have done जसरी हामीले भर्खर गरेछौं त्यस्तै नै तपाईहरुले same without leaving any step same यसरी गर्नुपर्छ so here find the value of x from given figures find the value of x from given figures so a this is the straight line MN PQ this is x this is 45 degree how much 45 degree and B PQ MN x 70 degree C AB CD X 80 degree D TU SN X 95 degree and E AB MN X 75 degree here AB CD AB CD X 130 so these all are the pair of adjacent angles are given here and all the adjacent angles are formed on a straight line so So how we have just done the problem about the ascent angles related with the straight angles. So such problems I have given here, and I hope that you are very easily you can able to solve at home. And after solving all these problems, you can show your teacher by different media like messenger and other. So thank you very much, my dear students.